Hello guys, welcome to your fourth Python programming tutorial. Today we're going to be going over if statements, and if statements are more of a intermediate thing, but I figure you should know them because you are all geniuses. Alright, so we're going to create two variables, and these are going to be called password 1 and password 2. Password 1 is going to be equal to a raw input of, the input is going to be, please enter in your please create a password, better yet. Please create a password. Alright, now password 2 is going to be equal to raw input. Please type your password. Alright. So, now, what we can do now is we can make an if statement. Now, an if statement is basically, it decides for you. It's going to decide whether, how should I explain this? I'm going to explain it after I show you. Alright, so if password 1 is equal to password 2, now for equaling, you basically do double equal signs. Now, to not make it not equal is an exclamation point and an equal sign. That says if password 1 is not equal to password 2. Now, again, to make it equal, it's just two equal signs. Your greater than less than signs are still the same. Alright, so if password 1 is equal to password 2, and now here's the trick. You add not a semicolon, you add a colon. And that tells you, okay, there you go. Now, there's something you need to know. You cannot, wherever your if statement is, so right here, you cannot have whatever your values are right here. So, right now that would give us an error, even though there's nothing wrong with the code. It would give us an error because it's expecting all of the values to be past the if statement. So right around that area. Alright. Now that we've covered that, go ahead and print, okay, your passwords are set. Alright, and now to make an else statement, just do else colon print, sorry, your passwords didn't match. Alright, now that's saying if password 1 is equal to password 2, then print out, okay, your passwords are set. Otherwise, if password 1 is not equal to password 2, print, sorry, your passwords didn't match. It's that simple. Alright, so to run this program, let's go ahead and run it. Please create a password. My password is going to be hop. Alright, now please retype your password, hop. Alright, okay, your passwords are set, so it worked. Now, we can run this again, hop, and this time we're going to mistype it, so hoop. Sorry, your passwords didn't match. Alright, it's very basic. Now, you can also make an else if statement. So, in essence, or not in essence, I don't know where I get that. So we've got, if it's not equal to password 2, you can do ELIF, which is standing for else if. So if password 1 is greater than password 2, even though it's usually not going to be a number in your password, then print out, okay, it's greater than. Greater than. Alright. Else print, okay, it's less than. Even though it really makes no sense, I'm just showing you the options you have. Alright, so we can print this out. And now, alright. So we have, oh, that should be an if. And this should be else if. So else if password 1 is less than password 2. Sorry about that. It won't happen again. So you cannot have an else if statement after an else statement. Alright, you need another if statement. Okay. The reason you could use an else if statement is if you're using if password 1 is equal to password 2, and then else if password 1 is greater than password 2. That's really the only reason you need an else if statement. The else statement comes in when you're wanting to do the opposite. Make sense? Alright, hopefully. Alright, so we can print this out, and please create a password. 80. Please create a password. 80. Alright, so we have, I mistyped something here. See, password 1. All right. Sorry about that. All right, so 80, 70, I guess now, 70. All right, your passwords are set. Oh man, why do I keep forgetting password? Okay, password 2. Golly, I'm just a mess. 70, 70. All right, okay, your passwords are set. Very nice. Alrighty, so there you go. That didn't really use our else if statements, but I hope you get the idea of it. Let me just, if password 1 is equal to cow print, okay, else if password 1 is equal to pig print, even better. All right, now we're just gonna totally get rid of password 2 because that's not really what we're needing. All right, so to get an idea of what the else if statement is, oops, I've made an error. Oops, forgot my colons. I'm just honestly a mess. I'm sorry about this. All right, again, another invalid. I'm just making errors all over the place. All right, please create a password. Cow. Okay, there you go. Now to run your else if statement, just go ahead and make it pig. Even better. All right. So there you go. There's your little tutorial on if and else if statements. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment if you have any. Like the video. Comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe. All right. See you guys later.